guys, welcome back to the channel. Back with another one. I know I haven't been posting, but today hopefully I will post this video, because there are some videos that I should be posting, but we are going to the wheelie practice lot. This is maybe 5th, 6th day that we're gonna be practicing. The wheelies on the bike start to come up a lot more than it used to, right? That's what I'm trying to do. I gotta practice on third gear. Third gear is harder. I can feel it wanna come up. It wanna come up. It wanna come up. Third gear wanna come up. Oh, it's coming up. Third gear is coming up. But yeah, we are practicing on the a lot close area. We'll be wearing protection gear and stuff. I mean, at least, I mean, what they are the rights for, right? Don't try this at home. That's the motto of this video. Don't try at this home. Just be careful. Don't try to at this at road. We will be practicing on low speed on a closed area. That's the deal. I don't want you guys to be being, you know, I mean, we are stupid, but like not too stupid, like, you know. I was doing it because I know I don't know how to do in third gear. I know my power ends are not well and my tires are not warm and all that. I was just messing around. But if I'm being honest, I don't want you guys to be doing all that in this kind of road and stuff like that until you guys have a full control over it. Okay, let me put that way. But yeah, we'll be going to the lot. We'll be practicing wheelies on a small bike. I can do a second gear wheelie on this bike. I mean, I think now I can finally say I can do a wheelie, because yeah, you know, I'll post some videos here that what I did. But yeah, company doesn't really like that we do wheelie here, but yeah, that's there. We'll see about that. If they call a cops, they call a cops, man. The cop doesn't really give a fuck if you're doing it in the closed road. Nobody's here. I can feel the tire spinning. Yep, second gear is nice and easy. Second gear is easy like that. However, the first gear is harder. I mean, first gear is easy too, but it just, if I give too much throttle, it's just gonna come up right up. So yeah, this is our spot to practice wheelies. We have TRD over there, TRT. We have a Ben and a Honda CVR 600, boy. Yeah, boy. But yeah, we're gonna go from here. We have Becky driving a truck. She left her bike in my house because, you know, she doesn't want to practice on her bike yet, but I do. So yeah, I'm trying to getting better on this. I still got a bit better at this, like at least try to control it. As you can see earlier, it was a little bit higher than I did, probably because that's how I felt it. But I need to start controlling that throttle a lot more than I supposed to, because I need to stop grabbing my fucking big balls, you know. I need to stop having a big balls, because I know that wasn't that high, because that wasn't balance point or anything. I just got scared and slammed the fucking rear brake, and then just boom, and front suspension gonna get destroyed. Like, as you can see how much it's traveling right now, because it's like literally an inch left, because it's traveling so much. Because like when I stop, just boom. So yeah, we're gonna unroad the TRT, and then yeah, we'll begin from there. Yep. On this, because we gotta get comfortable on it before we loop our bike. We're gonna get off the phone. That's the reason. Hey. Nuts are gonna pop out when he shows up. Flat to his inspection. Oh, no, doesn't fall out.
This thing's really tracking him right now.
Trey's just gonna.
What are you doing?
Don't think it'll be as bad as her 13. You key in that. It's the perfect place.
It's so ass.
Yeah, I think. Oops.
I would piss my pants if I were
Let's
you.
go gambling. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Let's go gambling. That's why I was like, hopefully nothing happened. But I'll be recording. Oh, Luke. Oh, Luke. You have a lot of trust.
shaking. Let's not count. I see it.
Yeah, you have a lot of trust, Luke.
Oh, put the cameras away.
Put the fucking eye contact!
First try. From that kid.
First try!
Fuck!
Save!
Just straight to 12.
Bad boy.
What happened?
What happened? Dropped it.
He almost pancaked.
I do trust him.
Aw.
He's a fucking genius. No, I knew you would. I knew you would. That's why I want you.
He's like, oh, that's nice. You care if I post that?
I always ask.
What if my face is in there? Fuck that.
Like they're aftermarket.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, Arvin! I'm gonna pancake. Well, I'm so hungry. I have not eaten all day. And this pizza,
You don't realize how nice it is to adjust that.
There's like no stabilizer.
like out.
Yes.
Okay. That's how you.
That's the first one.
Okay.
No, that's fine.
You don't feel it yet.
Yeah, that's fine.
Bro, you gotta take 2 showers right before.
No.
I should have wear the woody. Ah, fuck. That hurt? Yeah, a little bit. It's gonna burn. It's gonna burn. It's gonna burn. I should have wear woody. Ah, fuck. I should have. I was just talking about it. Ah, fuck. But it's okay. That's the first cast.
Did you get that on video?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, dang it. Stop. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Yeah, now you're doing
I crashed it, people.
That video. I'm gonna get a compilation of everybody wiping out. Let's go. Let's go wheelie packing game.
Holy shit.
Oh, dang it.
Oh, dang it. Fuck.
Oh my god.
No, I have a woody. Why did I make it?
Is it white?
Is it white?
Is it white?
She like started to go, and when she started to go,
No, I'm just gonna practice with you.
Fall down, I'll fall down. I don't trust you. That's if you fall down, you just gotta keep going up.
It's leaning that way. That's what happened earlier too.
Well, I don't know what's going on. It just keeps leaning that way.
Yeah, I'm pulling with my hand. That's what's happening.
Oh, it's going like a bitch.
Alright people, you already now I'm going home. Now I'm going home and I'm gonna drop the TTR. But you already seen I loop! No, there was no loop, bro. It was like more like I was pulling with my hand a lot more than I was supposed to, like not relaxing my hand. I know my mistakes. And then guess what? I took it too lightly. I did talk about wearing a gears and I didn't wear my fucking woody. So now I gotta rest. But you know, that's like a what? Like token of love. Practicing wheelie. You have to fall in order to, you know, get up and succeed. So that's the learning process. If you're too scared and pussy out, you're never gonna learn. That's the thing. So that's how I think. And yeah, by saying that, you know, you already see I fall, but don't make the mistake that I made. But either way, if you like, you know, one day you're gonna fall. If you're practicing wheelie, you're gonna fall. It's just matter of time, and then the I don't know, I lost my word, but you're gonna fall. That's the point. You're either gonna fall hard or like soft, but you're gonna fall one time, or many times. That's the way. But in order to succeed, you gotta fall. You gotta take the fall. You gotta take the heat. You know. So yeah, I took a hit today, and it wasn't in the road or anything like that, or in this bike. Thankfully, that's why we try to do it safe way, right? That's the goal. But yeah, guys, I don't know if the YouTube gonna like this, me doing wheelies and posting it, but we did it in a closed surface area. We're not doing it in the road or anything. we're not promoting this shit. Like I said, do not try this if you're not around people, or like, you know, if you don't have gears and anything like that. So that's my say on it. But at the same time, you know, you gotta learn. If you wanna learn something, go learn. But just don't be stupid like me, which I didn't wear my fucking hoodie, which I should have. And I don't think I'll be trusting anybody clothing anymore, because, you know, you said it's kind of worked, but it's in there. But if I was in the road, yeah, it wouldn't have protect me, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, anyway guys, peace out, have fun, relax, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.